8 April 2019, Shift 1, question number 6. If you are born in India, then you are citizen of India. Contrapositive of this statement is 4 options are given. Okay, this is very reasoning type question and very easy. Before starting, you understand some the meaning. If you are born in India, let P implies that you are born in India. P implies that you are born in India, and Q implies you are citizen of India. You are citizen of India. Simply that P implies that you are born in India, and Q implies you are citizen of India. Then not Q, as P implies Q, because if you are born in India, then you are the citizen of India. Similarly, we say that implies not of Q implies not P. What is not Q and what is not P? Not Q is what is not P and what is not Q. That if you are not citizen of India, then you are not born in India. It is right also. Now moving to our option, if you are not citizen of India, then you are not born in India. Option 2 is right. Here we say that implies if, simplifying, if you are not citizen of India, then implies you are not born in India. Is that clear? So it is very simple question, and we reached it also reasoning type, and our option is option 2. That's all. Now moving to the second problem. Is that 8 April 2019, Shift 1, question number 7. Let A is equal to cos alpha is a matrix. A is equal to a matrix, and A32 is equal to this. Then alpha may be 4 options are given. Now suppose A1 is equal to cos of alpha minus sin alpha cos of alpha. It is A1. Now A square is equal to what? A, this matrix multiplied with this matrix. Therefore cos of alpha sin of alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha multiplied with again cos of alpha sin of alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Therefore, this becomes this row and this column and this fixed minus, therefore cos square minus sin square is equal, it is cos of 2 alpha sin 2 alpha minus sin 2 alpha plus cos of 2 alpha. Now, one things you should see that A1 is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, and A2 is equal to cos 2 alpha sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. Similarly, we may say A32 is equal to using this index, we may say cos of 32 alpha sin of 32 alpha minus sin of 32 alpha cos of 32 alpha. Is that clear? Therefore, again we say that this matrix and this matrix, the given matrix are similar. Therefore we may say it is given that A32 is equal to 0 1 minus 1 0. Therefore we may say cos of 32 alpha is equal to 0 and sin of 32 alpha is equal to 1. From this and this we get 32 alpha is equal to pi by 2 plus 2n pi, as cos theta is equal to 0 and sin theta is equal to 1. Therefore, we may say theta is equal to pi by 2 plus 2n pi. That implies alpha is equal to pi by 64 plus n pi by 16. Then alpha may be, therefore alpha may be, value of alpha is equal to option 3 pi by 64. That's all.